Here we go. My first actual renovation of a bathroom. And what I did was I took out my old vanity from my guest bathroom. I took the old vanity out. I took the old light fixtures out and I replaced it. And I also had tile on the floor and I replaced the tile with these vinyl planks. Now, these are vinyl planks, and I tell you, they look just like a wood floor. And they're actually thick. They're rather thick. And I laid the vinyl plank, so I just took everything out of the bathroom, the toilet, everything. Pulled everything out, and I laid the floor. Well, actually, my best friend laid the floor for me, and we put this vinyl plank. Now, let me just tell you, in order to do the floor for this particular bathroom, it only cost me $34, you guys. Now, what I do is I try to operate on a strict budget, and I try to stay within my budget. And my home is over 21 years old, and the vanity was getting old. The light fixture was getting old. Things was just getting old, and I just want to refresh. We're in a new year. We're actually in a new decade. And I'm just out with the old and in with the new is going to be my motto. And that's for everything. So what I did was I just redid the floor, $34. I used things that I shopped to my home and I used what I had. I put this table in here. And these particular items are actually homemade items, foot soak and bath products. They're homemade items, and I just put them in some milk jars and just use that as my decorative part of the renovation. Of course, I'll be using them, if I were taking a bath in this particular bathroom. Now, I took the actual curtains that I had here. Instead of using actual shower curtains, I used curtains. But actually, this is a shower curtain. That is a shower curtain, but I actually used drapes, and I got these drapes from Burlington. And what I did, they're 96 inches long. They're from the floor all the way to the ceiling, 94 inches long. And that just gave great drama there, great drama. And then I just shopped my home, and this particular piece came out of my family room. I had two of them in there. I was actually renovating three bathrooms, actually, and I'll be showing you those coming soon. But this is my guest bathroom, and this particular wall feature here, I took out of my family room. I put one upstairs, and then I put one in my powder room downstairs, of which I did that when I took the pedestal sink out of that particular bathroom, and I put a vanity in there. So then I just I kept the toilet because, there was nothing wrong with the toilet. So I kept the toilet. Now, I did not repaint because probably in about the next 7-8 months, I'm going to repaint my entire home. So I didn't want to just paint this room, the bathroom, and not finish off the rest of the home. So the rest of the home, I'm going to go lighter and just kind of spruce up some things here. If I'm going to stay here, I need to spruce it up. And then, of course, everybody needs a good book in their bathroom, right? So, for decorative purposes, of course, I put the book here. And again, this is my guest bathroom, so it hardly gets any use unless I actually have company. Now, I just want to show you this. This is the vanity that I purchased from Home Depot. And this vanity was on sale for $199. It was originally, I think, $4 something or $3.99. I can't remember actually, but I purchased it for $199, and I just love this vanity. It's just it just adds a pop to my bathroom, and of course, I want to just show you what's inside. And you know me, I'm all about making sure that my guests have everything they need. So I have extra towels here. And, and this right here, I have a home office downstairs, but upstairs in my TV room, I actually have a office and a closet. And I pulled these magazine holders out of that. And the reason I put these in here is kind of to hide the fixtures, of course, and just, to make sure that I have enough space for my towels for my guests. Okay, so now let's go to the drawers. And in the drawers, I just have soap, extra products for my guests in case they, forgot to bring something. So I have soap and, you know, if you've been with me and you kind of see my little videos, I make sure that my guests are well taken care of. They love me. Then I have some extra hand towels, face towels, excuse me. And this thing is so deep, it can hold 2 trays of this. So I have 2 trays of towels there, face towels. Then at the bottom, I just have, in case they don't want to use a face towel and they're taking a bath or a shower, they can use some sponges. So these, of course, are for them to have there. And so in case they want to just use a sponge. So like I said, I was operating on a budget, and the total cost for this particular bathroom project cost me less than $400, actually. Less than $400. And I just want you to see the actual light fixture. The light fixture cost me $34, and that was from Lowe's. This light fixture came from Lowe's, and it was $34. So I was decorating on a budget. So that was $34. The vanity was $199, so $234, and then $34 for the flooring, and the drapes I think were like $30. So actually it was less than $400 I spent in order to completely renovate this bathroom. And like I said, I did not paint yet because I'm going to be painting the entire house, and I just wanted that to be a part of the actual paint job. So decorating on a budget, I think that you can make your home look very, very welcoming and very luxurious and very inviting. And you do not have to spend thousands and thousands. You just have to know how to shop. This is Empowering Moments with Velvet. Thank you for dropping by. If you liked my video and my content, please like, share, and comment. I'd love to know what you're thinking. Thank you so much for stopping by. Be blessed.